The next tutorial I'm going to do is on Picasa. Now Picasa has an icon that looks like this. Now I'm using a Mac, so mine's down low on the bottom, but if you're using a PC, it'll be using your start menu and you can go in and pick it. Now Picasa is not on your computer when it comes to you. You need to download it. All you need to do is go to Google Chrome and you can say download Picasa. Okay, it'll take you to a page. There it is. Hit Picasa, then download Picasa. And just make sure you're downloading it for a PC if you're using a PC, and a Mac if you're using a Mac. Now, what Picasa does is it organizes your photos, and so down the side here, you'll see it has folders that it finds, and it'll find them automatically. You don't need to input them in here. Once you open Picasa the first time, it'll find all of your pictures on your computer. If they're inside of a folder, it'll figure out what the folder name is and do all that for you. It does them chronologically, so it'll go back as far as, if you have videos and pictures, it'll go as far back as they're labeled and time-stamped. So this is why you want to use Picasa. Picasa allows you to upload pictures to your Picasa account, and then they are automatically shared with your website. So if you want to do web slideshows and things like that, Picasa allows you to do that really, really easily. Where before you would have to input pictures one at a time onto your website and erase them one at a time. With this, it organizes all those for you. So let's say you want to show your parents what you were doing all day at school. And so you took some pictures, and let's see. So we have some pictures of what we did today at school, Clifford. Now, this is in this folder just called 2012 class, and then there's 4 pictures. Now, I probably should have labeled this folder better, but it really doesn't matter. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to, if you want to upload that entire folder, 2012 class, you can enable a sync, all right? And then just said yes, sync. Okay. Now, you usually only will have to sign in one time. You can see right up here it says E. Robinson at Chelsea. Your Picasa account, it's through Google. So you're using your account that you already have through Chelsea. So you don't need to create any new accounts. You don't need to send any emails. It's already set up for you just because we use Gmail and Google Apps. Okay. Now, because I synced those pictures, when I go online to Picasa or I go onto my website, I'll see them. So let me go to my website and I'll show you what this looks like now that I synced those pictures. So if I go to my website and I want to insert some pictures, it'll find them automatically. Okay, sorry that took so long. So I go to Sites, and I find my site here. So there it is. Now, if I want to add those pictures, let's say I go to my class photos site. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the pictures that are already here. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Insert, Picasa Web Slideshow. Now you can also just do one photo from Picasa as well. So Picasa. Now it'll find my Picasa account, and it'll automatically find those pictures that I uploaded. So here they are, 2012 class. Okay. So if those are the ones I want to show, I click there and I hit select. Then it'll ask me, what do you want your slideshow to look like? Do you want to have a title? Yes. How about Clifford? Okay, and then I hit save, and there it goes. It put it there for me. And then I can choose whether I want it centered or where I want it aligned. And then when I hit save, there it is. So it automatically will go ahead and go through and do a little slideshow of those photos I uploaded. So I don't have to do them one at a time or any of that kind of stuff. It just makes it so much easier if you had a Halloween party or something like that, where you could just quickly um, sync them with Picasa, and then Picasa automatically shares them so that when you are editing your page and you want to or you want to add a slideshow, it'll automatically find them for you through Picasa. Okay, so there's all the ones that I've uploaded or synced so far. Now let me show you one more time. When I go to Picasa, right, it automatically has all of my pictures on here. So maybe if I go to an old picture here, let's go back to November. All right, let's see. Now some of these are not pictures. All right, so here's some silly pictures I used to use. All right, for writing. So if I wanted to sync those, all this folder here called Funny Animal Pictures, I just click right here, say Enable Sync, and you can see it's working right here. It's automatically uploading into Picasa, into my account. Okay, and when I go to my web page, this whole folder will be available for me to insert either one picture at a time or all the pictures in a web slideshow. So that's basically Picasa. The best way you're going to learn how to use Picasa is just to play with it. Again, you don't have to click and drag anything into Picasa. It'll automatically find all of the pictures that you have on your computer already, and it organizes them for you. Your only job is to pick which ones you want to share online. Now, one last thing I'll say is that some people are worried that if you share these online, can everybody go and look at them? The answer is no. They are not shared with anyone unless you choose that. So when it hits share, that does not necessarily mean that you're sharing it with the world. When you sync these up to your account, they're only shared with you. You have to click on a button that says share or choose if you want to share these with other people. And so that is Picasa.